how to change Google language from Hawaiian to English or from any other languages to English. So before proceeding further, just to make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will receive all my latest
Hungarian
updates.
to English.
So guys, let's get started.
Icelandic
So guys, the
to
first
English.
thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome and then click on
Igbo
your
to
search bar
English.
and then type
Indonesian to English.
CHROME
Irish to
Chrome
English.
and then colon
Italian
and
to
then forward
English.
slash and
Japanese
then
to
setting,
English.
SETTINGS
Javanese
and
to
then
English.
hit enter button.
Kannada
Once you
to
hit enter
English.
button, as you will able to
Kazakh
see
to
the
English.
sidebar, okay, sidebar of your
Khmer
Google
to
Chrome.
English.
You just click on the sidebar
Korean
logo
to
here,
English.
and then what you have to
Kurdian
do is
to
you have to
English.
go to the
Kurdish
advanced
to
setting.
English.
Even though you do not understand the language showing up on your Google Chrome, you can follow this procedure and then you'll be able to change your language
Kyrgyz to
from any
English.
languages to English. Okay?
Lao to English.
So what you have to do is you
Latin
have to
to
select
English.
this option. As you can see,
Latvian
this is
to
the
English.
advanced button. Once you click there, you have to select this option. As you can see the logo.
Latvian
Okay,
to
if you
English.
don't understand the language, you just recognize
Lithuanian
the
to English.
logo and then proceed further.
Luxembourgish
So you have to
to
click on
English.
this globe button.
Macedonian
so once you
to
click
English.
there, you'll be able to see the advanced option here.
Malagasy
What you
to
have to
English.
do is click on the top button. This is the language button. Click over here.
Malay to English.
And then you can see there
Malayalam
are
to
the
English.
languages listed what I have
Maltese to
selected
English.
previously. So now this
Maori
is
to
the
English.
add language button.
Marathi
Okay,
to
this is the add
English.
language button. Once you click here,
Mongolian
you'll
to
get all the
English.
languages available on your
Nepali to
Google Chrome.
English.
So what you have to do is type
Norwegian to
English,
English.
ENGLISH, and then you
Ninja
can
to
select your
English.
English, whatever you
Pashto
prefer,
to
English,
English.
Australia, Canada, South Africa, New
Persian
Zealand,
to
United
English.
Kingdom. So I have already
Polish
selected
to
United
English.
States, so it is not showing up here.
Portuguese to English.
So what I'll do is I'll select
Punjabi to
Australia,
English.
and then I'll
Romanian
click
to
over
English.
here. You have to click here, okay?
Russian
This is
to
OK button.
English.
So once you click there,
Semon
what you
to
have to do
English.
is I have selected this one, okay?
Stock Gaelic
English,
to
Australia.
English.
So now click on the three dot button, and then what you have to
Serbian
do
to
is
English.
mark this button,
Shona
Google Chrome,
to English.
show up Google
Sindhi
Chrome,
to
okay?
English.
So once you click
Sinhala
there, and
to
then you
English.
have to launch this
Slovak
language,
to
okay?
English.
You click over here.
Slovenian
Once
to
you
English.
click there, Google
Somali
Chrome
to
will
English.
reopen, and then your
Southern
entire
Sotho to
languages
English.
will be reset
Spanish to
into
English.
language. As you can
Sundanese
see,
to
your
English.
language is now English
Swahili to
Australia.
English.
And then now you click here and then you
Swadesh
select
to
the language,
English.
whichever
Tajik
you
to
prefer,
English.
United States or any
Tamil
other
to
languages.
English.
So this is how you can
Telugu
change
to English.
Google language
Thai
from
to English.
any languages
Turkish to
English
English.
language. So guys, I
Ukrainian
hope this
to
video
English.
helps you a lot. If it helps you, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.